we can say na these four constitutions answers first, what does the church do? Liturgy, no? Sacrosanctum Concilium. Who is she? No? Lumen Gentium. From where did she come from? Dei Verbum, so divine revelation. And what is her mission? And that is Gaudium et Spes. No? Pero bukod dyan sa apat na yan, meron pa tayo kasi nga 16 nga yung documents. Sel, pasadahan natin ng mabilis itong iba pang mga dokumentos.
So if you have 4 constitutions, meron naman tayong tinatawag na 9 decrees na kautusan. Una sa lahat is Ad Gentes. The main subject matter ng Ad Gentes is missionary activity. Litterorum Ordinis. Ito yung specific document ng Vatican II on the mission and life of priests. So the third is Perfecte Caritatis. So this is the decree on religious life. Next is Apostolicam Actuositatem. Ito naman yung decree on the laity. The next is Christus Dominus. Ito naman para lang sa mga obispo. Next is Unitatis Redintegratio. Ito ay on ecumenism. Then you have Orientalium Ecclesiarum. So ito yung mga Eastern Catholic churches. Then the last decree is Inter Mirifica on social communication.
And then, after the decrees and the constitutions, meron kinatawag na mga declarations. No? Nostra Aetate. No? Ito yung relationship with non-Christian religions. The second declaration is Dignitatis Humanae. Ito naman is about religious freedom. No? And then, the third declaration is about Christian education. No? Yung title ng document ay Gravissimum Educationis. No?